In this training nugget, I'm going to cover the Garlands effect within xLights. So if we drop that onto a prop, in this case a mega tree, and effectively what the Garland effect does, so I will slow it down slightly so we can see, is it brings in individual lines and stacks them up on top of each other, as you can see here. So we've got lines coming down and building up on the prop. But let's have a look at the garland types. So that's all set here. I'll slow it down so we can see. So the first type is just the straight lines effect. If we bring it up, you can see now it's a wavy line. And then the other effects are a variation along different shapes of garland coming in. Let's just go back to this one. And now we'll just speed it back up a little bit. The next thing is, I'll just talk about colours first. Yes, we can have multiple colours, so single colours or triple colours. And if we just have standard colours, it will do in a nice gradient, blend the effects into each other, blend the colour. But it also supports the colour curve, so we can select multiple colours here, and that particular colour will change over time, over the time of the timeline. But you can mix that with standard colours as well. So you can see we've got the green that is static, but at the bottom here it is changing over time based on the colour curve. Next is the spacing. So here we increase, slow that down so we can see, we're increasing the black space between, or we can have them really close. So you can get some quite nice effects if you play around with these. And then the next option is the number of cycles. So if we just want it to come in over this particular time on the timeline, we would choose 1 cycle, or if we want a quick effect, we can up the number of cycles. And the final option is the stack direction. So this is stacking in this direction. The down will be reverse. Then we have left, speed that up a little, and right. We have one that will go one way and then reverse, and then the same again in the opposite direction, and the same again for left and right. So it will just rotate backwards and forwards. So that is the Garlands effect within xLights. See you next time.